Hey, how's it going? My name is Maya. Today I have a really exciting video. I have my 7th-month estrogen update. It's been 8 months, a couple days ago. I started my first little bit of estrogen just about 8 months ago on May 27th. So yeah, it's been pretty great. I'm doing a monotherapy. That means that I'm only taking estrogen. I'm not taking any T blockers, testosterone blockers. And I'm using the pills, as you saw. And I started with 1 pill a day and slowly worked my way up to 3 a day. Some of the effects, I'll just start with my face. Here's what my face looks like now. I'll put in a picture next to me so you can see what it used to look like. It's just crazy to see how much I've changed. Some fat has redistributed more to my thighs and buttocks. My chest has changed. That's probably what I'm most excited about. So yeah, overall, physically well. I'm here to tell you that it works with the pills. Other than that, as far as emotional changes, I had my first good cry in years a few weeks ago. I feel the urge to cry more, but still haven't quite got down to like where I can just cry when I want to. And then just kind of feel more open, grounded, and now that I'm taking estrogen, the changes have been good. For me, it made me really happy. I'm still really happy. I'm really excited about what the future will bring. You know, usually it takes a few years to get the full effect of everything. So, you know, before I know it, it's gonna be my video a year on estrogen. I'm excited about that. So I'd like to share my lab results as well. I can see that my T was a little higher. I might end up raising my dosage. We'll see. My estrogen was doing well though, so maybe not. You know, I have been experiencing the changes that I wanted. Hormonally pretty androgynous. I don't feel unhealthy or anything. I feel really good and happy. I think the most important change overall has been that I just feel like myself. I feel good. I feel strong. I feel like me. Every month that passes, as things change and grow, I feel more like myself. And although gender isn't my whole identity and there's more to life, I've yet to explore what I want to do in the world and everything. I think it's this, talking to you, having this moment. I don't know where this will take me. There's lots of things I want to explore. Thanks for being a part of the journey, and I look forward to talking to you more in the next video next week. So if you're still here, I appreciate you. Thanks for sticking it through to the end. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week.